Hello, what up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, the Desi Traveler. It's a Tuesday, February, 38 degrees hot, but I decided to make the trip of my life. This is not a trip that I'm making to a destination. वो कहते हैं ना कि the trip is only as good as the journey or the travel is. This today is an epic trip because we are gonna be traveling once again once again in the Mumbai Local. Let's be safe and let's enjoy the journey of a million dreams. Welcome to Mumbai Local, people. Well, to be at a railway station after years is so special, and to document this on a video makes it even more better is because we are actually documenting a million dreams. Okay, so here's the thing. As much as I wanted to have the travel experience of a Mumbai Local, I also wanted to make sure that my safety is of utmost importance. Now here's the thing, every Mumbai Local has a second class and a first class. Now I booked a ticket for the first class, which is usually 10 times the fare. The normal fare is about 15 rupees, first class about 150 bucks. So you'll see these lines on the platform. Whenever you see these lines, that means the first class bogie is going to come here. But I'm hoping the trains look kind of empty. Let's see that. Check this out. When have you ever seen a Mumbai Local so empty? Standard Mumbai Local issues. Train was supposed to come on that platform, but last minute got changed to this. Hey, we don't miss good things after all. That's the normal coaches, which is again empty. But we're gonna take the first class coach. Let's go. After years, my friend, after years. So in all of my college days, this used to be the place we stand because we don't get no place to sit. And this place here is where you stand and enjoy the trains. Whenever you're traveling in a local train, they're so understanding and it's like a given thing. See, I'm sitting here, 4 people would sit on a 3-people seat, welcome to India. And people who would stand here, in let's say about 7 or 8 stations, there is a reversal. Like I will get up, you will sit. There's a saying कि डर के आगे जीत है, दादर के आगे सीट है. But I have kind of survived on those canteens there. You know, they say it's unhygienic at times and bad at times. That's what makes it good, right? Hey, welcome back, man. So one thing I learned in 2020 was जितनी luxury तुम चाहो उतनी कम होती है. Now I am on a process where I walk 5 kilometers every day. And for me to reach my destination was 3.2 kilometers. I could have easily taken a taxi. But hey, how do you honor your word? You walk it out. Smile karo. Whoa! तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? बोलो go big और go home. बोलो go. Big. और go home. Bye. हमें इतनी फ्री की आदत है, हम दोस्त के होटल पे खाना खाने आए हैं, उसको बोल रहे हैं होटल देखने आए, बेसिकली फ्री का खाने आए हैं. ओके, ये जो भी नाम है मुझे पढ़ना नहीं आता. Mashreque? Mashreque, the taste of Middle East. Let's go. आई करो ऐसे 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 ऐसे. अब जब मैं 3, 2, 1 को बोलूंगा तब डैब करना, अभी नहीं. ठीक? 3, 2, 1 डैब. इसको देखो, अंबानी के बच्चे को कितना काम कर रहा है लैपटॉप पे. आज से कितना धंधा हुआ साहब? Okay, so introducing, what are we having?
Tablets, green tea tablets.
What tablets? People will think we are having steroids. Tell them. This is healing green tea tablets refreshment tablets, natural weight loss therapy. Hi bro, you're on video. I heard you love the food.
Too good.
क्या अच्छा लगा यार सबसे ज़्यादा?
Everything.
Everything?
Thank you so much.
Isn't the dal amazing?
That's why I'm here.
Again is the word. Again is the word. So let's see that specialty dal. You know that refreshing smell of the dal, the tadka, and just a perfect end to the day. Hamid decided to make food for us. The most unique paneer I've ever eaten. Sign of a good food is when all of that is empty. Thank you, Amit. What a wonderful day. We came here and we are leaving 5 kgs extra. And this is how you end every meal. Chas it out. And this is where we end the day. But there's a train journey back home. Let's have a romantic train journey in the night. And guys, with that, we came back home last night. It was pretty late. Here's the thing, Mumbai Local is now on, it's active, it's back on. There are certain time limits. You can travel, if you don't fall under the essential category, you cannot take the trains from 7 in the morning to 11 in the morning, and then in the afternoon from about 4 to 9. Otherwise, you can use the Mumbai Local from the first local to the last local. Let's hope 2021 has good things for us. Last year, same time, we went into a lockdown. This year, same time. Let's bring back all of our humanity, all of our dreams, all of our belief, all our passion, everything back. Cheers to good days. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. Peace out, the Desi Traveler. More vlogs coming up.